Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome again. This is DI Nutri Consultant. My name is Debbie. I call myself Coach Debbie. Today it's going to be exciting, guys. We're going to talk about iKONBOT again, and we're going to kind of work you through, guys. Whenever you go on the, you're watching a video and you get interested and you want to get started, what do you do next? A lot of people have asked me questions as far as how do I sign up? What do I do? Not as how do I pay for my account? First thing first, guys, before this is cryptocurrency, so you have to have like a crypto wallet. All right, you have to figure out a way to have a crypto wallet. So once you have a crypto wallet, it can be through Coinbase, not Cash App, because we're going to get we're talking about Bitcoin Cash here. All right, so Cash App does not allow Bitcoin Cash yet. Like, it doesn't. They're probably working on it. Hopefully they are, because I love me Cash App. I hope they'll allow us one of these days to be able to purchase Bitcoin Cash as well, and Ethereum and other cryptocurrency. But right now they only do Bitcoin. So what you need to do is to get a wallet. You need to get a wallet with either Coinbase or blockchain. All right. So, and I remember last time I told you guys that you could do PayPal. I realized that PayPal does not have, it doesn't allow you to have a wallet. You can only buy Bitcoin or sell Bitcoin on PayPal. So don't even worry about PayPal. The two other platforms you can use is Coinbase or blockchain. So if you have one of those two platforms, that means you've already connected your bank to it, and you can purchase your crypto through those platforms. So when you have those, when you already have those set up, what do you do next? You want to get started with iKONBOT. Remember, guys, I always say this before we move to the next step. Please, if you're new here, I'm grateful that you're tuning and watching me tonight. Please subscribe to my channel. I really will appreciate it. And then click on tap the notification bell so that you can get all my latest video. And I'm quickly going to jump into it and show you guys how to get signed up and pay for your account with iKONBOT. So let's get started, guys. So, like, for example, right now when you're watching my video, you're on YouTube and everything, I'm gonna click on this video, right? I'm clicking on this video. This is what happens, right? You have the video. So let me pause it so I just can explain what I'm trying to say to you guys. So when you have this video, oh my god, let me fix my screen here if you don't mind. All right, so whenever you have this video, what are you supposed to do? You're supposed to scroll down, click on show more. Whenever you click on show more, you're going to see the link. Most of my video have links, so you click on that link. All right, when you click on that link, this is the box that's going to open. All right, you're trying to sign up. Make sure that you have who is inviting you, because when you click on the link and you don't see the person that's inviting you here, that means that link is wrong. Quickly get back in the chat, send me a text and say, hey, I don't see that link, didn't show you your username on there. So because you don't want to sign up with a username that doesn't exist, or if there's no username, it's not going to work out. So when you have it there, for example, I'm going to sign up for this account and pay. All right, so we're going to quickly go. I'm going to go a little faster because I want the video to be between 15 and 20 minutes max. All right, so I'm going to put here all right, and then you don't want to put international. You want to pick your country. All right, so make sure you're picking what country you're from. You are not where you're from, but where you're staying, where you reside in. So for example, I reside in the United States, so I'm going to put the United States here, and then I'm going to put my phone number. Don't call me, okay, because I won't pick up. If you want to get in touch with me, you have to send me an email. If you call me, I'll know, because if I don't know a number, I don't pick up. I know you can see my number here, but don't think you can call me. All right, and the email. Okay. Okay. All right, so I just have to double check it. I always like to double check every time I type something online. It's very important to double check anything you're doing, because if you guys don't double check it, guess what? You can make a mistake and you're not able to, fix your account back once the mistake is made. So you always have to make sure that you are double checking what you're doing online, okay, before you go to the next step. So I put the password here and confirm it. Now they're asking for my Bitcoin Cash address. For example, I was telling somebody earlier today, you have to have a Bitcoin Cash address. That means what? That means that you already have if you have never bought cryptocurrency, or you have no idea what to do, like I said earlier, first thing first, you have to sign up with either Coinbase or blockchain. When you sign up with either Coinbase or blockchain, Coinbase.com or blockchain.com, just register an account with either of those two platforms. You don't have to pay for anything to do that. And sometimes, somebody can send you the Coinbase link to sign up, but you can just go in there and sign up. It doesn't really matter. And then when you sign up with it, you have to connect your bank. Now, for those of you guys who, who have never had a Coinbase, or I've already made a video on that. So if you're following me, there's a video that I've already made explaining how to connect, what to do. So you'll have to look for it. But as of right now, we're talking about how to sign up and pay for your account with this. So for example, I'm gonna go find my Bitcoin Cash address, because you need your Bitcoin Cash address and you need to go get it and paste it. All right, so I have to go to Coinbase here, and I have to go to receive, because I want to find my address. It always gonna ask me to log back in. It does that by security measure, and I recommend that everybody, you have to have like the authenticator, like the two-factor authenticator, so that it's very highly secured, that way people can hack into your account. Because this is almost like your crypto bank account, so you don't want nobody to access it. And these numbers, when you have the two-factor authenticator, it changes like every second, so nobody can really access it. You have to use your phone for that. So once it verifies this, I'm gonna go and find my my wallet really quick. So how do you find your wallet? You have to click on receive. All right, you click on receive, because you want the wallet that you're going to be receiving your pay. It will go straight to that wallet. You have to come here, change this. It says BTC wallet. It stands for Bitcoin wallet. You want to have a Bitcoin Cash wallet. Your Bitcoin Cash wallet, this is what it is. You want to click on receive, because when it's highlighted, it's saying send. You need to make sure that receive is highlighted instead, and you copy that address. All right, once you copy that address, you're gonna go back to the page where you're trying to sign up. And this is the reason why I really recommend that you guys use your computer, because it's easier. On the phone, if you're new, honestly, you're gonna make a mistake. On a computer, you have a clue of what you're doing, right? So this is what you do, and then you're gonna click on accept. So all right, so no, I don't want to save the password right now. So it's telling me that it's already signed up. Let me try and log into it right now. And remember, whenever you signed up, write your information down. Write it down before you go to the next step. Write your username down. Write your password down, because some people have texted me and said, oh, I can't remember my username. What do I do? Can you help me? Honestly, guys, how am I supposed to help you? Even corporate cannot help you, because if you don't know your username, they're not going to help you find your username. So I didn't write mine down because, I know, but I'm experienced. I've been doing this for a long time, right? So the fact that you're not experienced, you want to make sure I'm saving my password now because now I'm logged in. And like somebody signed up earlier and they were telling me that, hey, this is the message that shows. Yeah, when you signed up, right, it's gonna show this. It's just informational. It's nothing that you have to worry about. All you gotta do is click on accept. And then now, whenever you get here, you see I just signed up for this account. It's gonna say, hey, Debbie Inuchi 4, welcome to iKONBOT. Activate your package now and start to enjoy your benefits. So what you need to do is click on buy plan. All right. Remember how I always tell you guys that you have to buy everybody have to start with start pack. And whenever you start with start pack, you know, I recommend that everybody go to pack 5 when it's your first account. Remember, I also believe in not putting all of your eggs in one basket. I'm not gonna ask you guys because pack 5 is more expensive than pack 1, right? So, you know, you want to have one pack 5 because whenever you have your first account, that's the highest of your account. The rest of it, just put the second account has to be pack 1, the third account has to be pack 1, and then you can grow from there. Because when this pack is over, you can upgrade to the next pack. But if you go and your first account is pack 1 or pack 2 or pack 3 or pack 4, for example, when this account is over, when they pay the 200%, you're gonna have to buy the pack 5 and get all of that paid before you move to the next level. So the last pack is what's gonna qualify you to be able to upgrade to the plus pack. Even here, when you have a plus pack, the pack 5 is what's gonna qualify you to move over to the premium pack. That's the reason why you want to make sure your first pack is pack 5. And the difference between those 3 is only that you get the bonuses. The direct bonus here is 12%. The binary you get pays 10% for the start pack. The plus pack, the direct bonus is 15% instead of 12%. The binary is 11% instead of 10%. So you get paid more the higher you go. The premium pack, the direct bonus here is 12% instead of, the binary bonus is 12% instead of 11%. The direct bonus is 20% instead of 15%. So you get paid more. So let's go back to this. For example, this account is not my first account, so I'm not going to purchase pack 5. I'm going to purchase pack 1 because pack 1, it's one of my, it's my fourth account. If you realize it's number 4 is my fourth account because my first account was pack 5. My second account, which was on my left leg, was pack 1. My third account, which was on my right leg, was pack 1 as well. So I'm still gonna pick pack 1 because I don't want to spend too much into this, okay? You want to save your money so you can be able to upgrade and go to the next level, because every time they pay you, you can either spend that money and your business will stop there and you have to start all over, or you can save that money and then use it to upgrade to the next pack. All right, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna click on this pack, and whenever you click on this pack, you have to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click on continue. And whenever you click on continue, it's bringing us to this page where it says amount to be sent 0.1. BCH stands for Bitcoin Cash. So 0.1 here, this is the Bitcoin Cash address, right? Don't copy the whole thing. You're gonna make a big mistake. You have to go after these two little dots here, start with the Q, and everybody is gonna look the same, and highlight all the way to the end and then copy it. All right, and when you copy it, you want to go back to the wallet, your Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash wallet you use. So for example, I'm using Coinbase. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna go to send, because I want to send that. I want to send the 0.1 to activate my account, right? So I'm going to change the BTC stands for BTC Bitcoin wallet, right? You want Bitcoin Cash. Always double check that. You're gonna click on Bitcoin Cash here, And when you click on Bitcoin Cash here, it's asking me to send 0.1. All right, so there's two ways to avoid. So many people have asked me, how much is that going to cost me? Honestly, don't break your head, because it depends on how much it is costing for one Bitcoin Cash on the market, or 0.1 or whatever. So because I already have Bitcoin Cash in my wallet, I'm just going to go and send it. But if you have 0 Bitcoin Cash in your wallet, you have to purchase, you have to go and buy Bitcoin Cash here, and buy the Bitcoin Cash. You can still come over here and do the math, because if you need your first time signing up, that means the first account is 0.5, your second account is 0.1, your third account is 0.1. That is total of 0.7. So all you have to do is go to buy and sell, click on make sure that it's Bitcoin Cash that you're trying to buy. And then when it's going to show dollar here, it's showing BCH here. So you want to switch this to BCH, so you're not making any mistake, all right? So that you're double checking and making sure you're buying the right thing. For example, I want to buy 0.1. I want to send 0.1, right? 0.1 to activate that account that I'm working on right now, showing you how to do it, right? So I'm trying to send it, all right? So this is 0.1. If you want to know how much it is in US dollar, you just click on that, and it's going to tell you 0.1 is $56.95. That's how you can go back and forth. You can switch it back and forth, 0.00000 whatever. So what I do is I see this, and then I'm going to switch this to, instead of 56.95, I'm going to put 96.97. I do it on purpose, okay, because it fluctuates. You can choose exactly that amount, and then by the time it gets there, because it takes a few seconds, it will probably change to -0.1 to 0.001 or whatever, or add up, and you don't have that. So I always want to put my margin to be on the safe side, so make sure you're always adding 0.01 or 0.1. okay, so I'm gonna just go here, and instead of having 0.1 that I wanted, I'm gonna have 0.10000, whatever is under there is just for margin error. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have the Bitcoin Cash address that I copied here. Remember, I copied the Bitcoin Cash address, this one right here. I'm gonna come here on my Coinbase, and this is where who are you sending this money to? You're sending this money to this address that iKONBOT sent you, this address. That's where you have to send the money to, the Bitcoin Cash, or you want to call it the dollar, but the currency here is Bitcoin Cash, so we're gonna call it Bitcoin Cash. And then all you gotta do is just right click and paste it, and make sure that you're having the same thing, and it's gonna tell you exactly how much you're sending, and you're gonna click on continue. All right, and whenever you click on continue, don't worry about this. It probably won't show you this exactly the same thing that you type, but it's correct, because all these that's why blockchain is so powerful, right? Cryptocurrency uses blockchain for security, right? That's why it's encrypted, so it's always different codes and different numbers. Nobody can really hack into it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna say send now. And of course, I have to make sure, because it's my bank, I have to put the code every time. Yes, honestly, if you want to do crypto, if you want to earn cryptocurrency, you have to make yourself flexible and very patient. Because if you're not patient, guess what? You're gonna get started. You're probably gonna earn money, and one day, because of one little mistake, you're gonna make a wrong move, and your money will just disappear. If you're not patient, whenever you get your money, just sell it and send it to your bank account. Don't leave it out there. All right, so let's confirm it. It's confirming it, but you don't have to have this, because I set it up with my Coinbase to where for me to send any money anywhere, it's going to ask me to do that. And by the way, remember, whenever you click on this, when you copy this, it says please don't close the window until you send the payment. Because if you close this window before you send the payment, it's not gonna be the same address anymore. it said that leave the window open. It's so important. If you come and click here and by mistake close the window and send the payment, your payment is gonna go nowhere. I don't know where your payment is gonna go. Make sure you're reading. Reading is so important, guys. Please, I'm begging you for that. Make sure you're reading everything. Amount to spend 0.1. Please send the exact amount. Cash address, blah blah blah, and then don't close. So I haven't closed. I'm in a different window, but I don't close that window, and I'm gonna click on done. And when you click on done, you just have to come here. Usually after a little few minutes, there you go. I wanted you guys to see this because this is what you're gonna get. Your order has been confirmed and processed. Welcome to iKONBOT. That's exactly what you should see. And you're gonna click accept, and then you're gonna see dear user, we remind you that it's informational, you're new, and you gotta just get used to it. Just click on accept because it's always gonna be there. And that's the account I just signed up right there. And when you sign up this account, to sign up your second account, remember I picked pack 1 because this is not my first account. All right, you're gonna pick pack 5. But whenever you're done signing up your first account, which is pack 5, you're gonna come here and click on your left link. How do you get your left link? You click promotion link left. You click on it. It's gonna copy to clipboard. You can email that to yourself. You can send it to your text message or WhatsApp. You can post it in a new window, and then you can sign up right there. Don't worry about it. You can use the same name, same email, same phone number. Just make sure you put the same Bitcoin Cash wallet. You can use the same Bitcoin Cash wallet for all of your accounts. All right, so just make sure that you're doing this the right way. Your first, second, and third account, use the same information. Actually, this was a fourth account. I used all my same information, and you saw yourself we went through. So iKONBOT is really not complicated, guys. I hope I was able to help you, and this video is going to kind of really show some light on it's gonna really help you understand how to get started with iKONBOT. And hopefully once you sign up like this, send me an email to dinuciconsult@gmail.com, and then I will get in touch with you, and then we'll take it from there, okay? Because we want to welcome you in our private group on WhatsApp. We have an amazing community of people. We're there to support each other, to help each other. We're there to build wealth together, and we're waiting for you to come join us. All right, so we want to share. We want everybody to get out of financial burden, build wealth the right way. Okay, so that's why we always recommend, don't put all of your eggs in one basket. Don't make all this huge financial decision. Like, for example, don't come and register 3 accounts with 0.5. No, it's not gonna do exactly how you see other people do that are there before and are getting the result. Because we're getting, if you're following my video, I share my result with you guys, and I'm not afraid of doing that. I want you guys to understand that you're in a place that you can trust. Okay, so I hope this was really helpful to you guys. I believe that I delivered well today, and thank you so much for watching today again, and I will be back soon with another exciting video. Remember, our motto is building wealth, and like I said, building wealth is not just financial wealth. Okay, we have mental wealth, we have physical wealth. You got to take care of your body, you got to take care of your mind, you got to take care of your soul, which is spiritual wealth, because all of these 3 have to go together to make it work. If you're just focused on finances, no, you're gonna miss the route. You're gonna just go in a different route. Okay, so thank you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, share my video, push the notification button so you get all the latest video. I love you guys so much. I hope I was able to ginger you tonight again one more time. This was your coach Debbie Inucci. Love you. Until next time. Ciao, ciao.